Find out. Anita and others in her village get rupees 35 for 1 kilogram of honey. How much does 1 kilogram of honey cost in your town? Children, you have to ask your parent, or if you have the honeybee bottle, just check the price for 1 kg. Yeah, if you have a half a kg bottle, then you can double the price. If you have a 1 kg bottle, then you check. Okay, and tell me. Okay, you have to let me know how much 1 kg bottle price is. She is getting only 35 rupees per kg, right? What are the different colors of honey that you have seen? So here you have to tell me what are the different colors of the honey. Then, is honey used in your house and what is it used for? This you have to tell me, right? You have to fill this. Yeah, fill these blanks and then send the picture to me. Okay, this is again very important, children. Every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. Okay, every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. There are only a few males in the hive. There are only a few males in the hive. Most of the bees in the hive are workers' bee. Okay, they all are workers, and these bees work all day. They make the hive and what do? And they also look after the baby bees. They make the hive and they also look after the baby bees. Okay, worker bees. Worker bees, what do? They make the hive. First they have to make the hive, and then they also take care of the baby bees. They fly around flowers in search of nectar. They collect nectar from flowers for honey. When one bee finds flower with nectar, it does a special kind of dance by which other bees can know where the nectar is. Okay, children? So you can see here the beehives are here. So beehive is also prepared by worker bees. Then worker bees take care of the baby bees, and then they search for the nectar in nearby flower. And when one bee it finds the flowers, she dances in a special way, and by which others can know that where the nectar is. Okay, the worker bees are very important for the hive. Without worker bees, there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. Okay, so all the work is done by the worker bees only, isn't it? They only make the hive, isn't it? There would be no hive there if there will be no worker bees. So worker bees make the hive and they also collect the nectar. All bees in the hive would go hungry if there would be no worker bees, right? Because they only bring the nectar. The male bees have no special role as workers. So the male bees have no special roles, right? So again, children, this paragraph is very, very, very important, right? This paragraph is very important. So you will have to mark this paragraph as very important paragraph. Okay, because questions will always be asked from this paragraph, right? So answer these questions now. You have to write it in the blanks. Which are some other insects that live together in a group like honeybees? Yeah, in the group like ants and all. I've given you one, you give me more. The ant is here only. Yeah, let's start studying about the ants. Okay, ants live and work together like honeybees. Now again we are studying because the questions come. Write a short notes on ants. So you have to write about ants. Okay, similarly like honeybees, so you have to write about everything. Like there is a one queen honeybees, few males honeybees, what are the workers honeybees, what they do and all. Similarly you have to write about the ants. The queen ant lays eggs. The soldier ants look after Look after and guard the ants nest. Okay, means ant hills. Workers ants are always busy. Here also we have worker ants looking for the food and bringing it to the nest. You always see whenever these ants they find the food, there are many workers bees they come and they together hold the food and they you will always see they don't eat there, just they just carry it and they take it to the nest or to the ant hills or where they are staying. So this is another example. Termites and wasps, they also live in the group. Okay, so now we know 4 insects: bees, ants, termites and wasps, right? Have you ever seen have you seen where ants live? I have seen the ant hills. I don't know whether you have seen. What kind of eatable attracts ants? So you put any food and you tell me what food you put and ants quickly come. Okay, you have to write here. Look at the lines of the ants. What is its color? What is the color of the ants? That also you have to tell me. Okay, children? So, have you been bitten by an ant? What was the ant like? Black, red, big or small? That you have to mention. This is all like your own experience. Do ants ever come near you? When? Look carefully at some big and small ants. How many legs does an ant have? Carefully you look and tell me. How many ants? Big ants and small ants. Okay? So you have to draw an ant as well in your copy. Okay? And while eating peanuts, you probably throw away the shells. Why don't you try to make some insects by using the shells? Mungfali, peanut. Yeah? Can you make anything out of the shell? Let's try out. Yeah? Draw it and make it and show me. Okay, children? So, children, we are done here. Right? We are done here with the chapter. Okay. So, I expect you to do all these fill-ups and all in your textbook and show it to me by the evening on my personal windows. Okay? Thank you. See you.